everyone. So 4th of July ended up being a little bit controversial this year, so I just wanted to put a quick disclaimer and say why we chose to celebrate it. Simply put, we're in a pretty complicated time with a bunch of stuff happening. Ultimately, we came to the decision that we would celebrate how far we've come as a country. Yes, we still have a ton to go. We still have a lot more to do, but we're deciding to focus on the good and using this as an opportunity to find ways to keep pushing forward. With this in mind, there are links in the description below to various causes that are of attention right now. If you feel inclined to help, the information is right there. Thanks, and enjoy the video of our 4th of July celebration.
Oh, it's color changing, yeah.
This one's got green, blue, and red.
Oh, whoa! So much smoke. Oh my goodness. Is this gonna gas out all the coronavirus?
Alright. Wow, this goes fast.
Whoa! That one's purple. Oh, that's social distancing affection.
Yeah. They're like arc welding. Looks like the house is on fire. I can't see anybody.
Yeah. Rachel, you look like a little fairy, like with your little wand. Oh no!
That'd be a lot of lemons.
The passing of the torch.